Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again, and as promised I will show you today how to clean your sieve. First of all, I'm not wearing protective gear because this is actually a clean sieve, and typically we would do this in a separated room where we have to wear protective gear, but since I didn't want to wear it and my camera girl didn't want to wear it, we're today doing this in a clean environment. So if you don't have a stainless steel table to do this on, if you're working on a wooden workbench, make sure you have a sort of large stainless steel or metal pan, because if the powder gets onto the wood, it will rub into the wood, and when you use your workbench in the future, this could eventually go to your skin, and you don't want to do that. What you also need is something to support your sieve where you can lay it on. This container luckily fits almost the size of my sieve, and what you need, this is the special ingredient. This is actually a brush, obviously, but it's a spark plug brush, and they work perfectly because they come in different sizes of brush hair. And what you want to go for is you check the mesh of your sieve, and this one is 60 micron, and you want to use a brush hair that is just slightly larger but not too large. Typically go for like 20-30% larger than what your mesh size is. So this one is 60 micron, and the hair here is about 80 to 90 micron. What happens if the hair is too small? If the hair is too small, you will push through your sieve, and if the hair is just slightly bigger than your mesh size, the mesh will open up and you will also push through the sieve when you clean, and this will ruin your sieve, and you don't want that because they're typically fairly expensive. Alright, so let's get started. What you do is, this is the top side of your sieve. You turn this upside down so all the stuck grain can fall down, and then you use the brush, and you don't press hard on the mesh, you just slightly tap on it and move up. Don't push down hard and don't rub hard, because this will move the mesh. Just slightly tap and go up. I know this is a super tedious process, and it takes a bit of time to clean the whole mesh, but it will pay off, because in total the cleaning process will take you maybe 15 minutes, and then you have a clean mesh and you're good to go again. So make sure you follow these tips. We will put them down in the description as well, and stay tuned for more tips next week.